Cheers, mate. See ya. Welcome along. This is a short review of a second-hand bike sale. This is a Suzuki Bandit 600S model, and it's on a W plate here in England, and it's a 20-year-old half-faired, sort of naked, you know, semi-naked. It's got a semi on. Kind of commuter bike, and I've not bought it. This is my brother's bike. Just purchased it for £825, and it's a bloody bargain. What's it, 39,000 miles on the clock, 20 years old, so you do the maths. 2,000 miles a year, that's nothing. It's in pretty good condition, this, so he just drove me over here, and I'm now well, I'm going to look for the first petrol station. Oh, fuck you know. Clutch is a bit juddery, it's got very little play. Is that a cable? Yeah, cable clutch, so I'm not quite used to that. My Honda's a hydraulic, so it's slightly odd. The handlebars are so weird, they're kind of so far forward, twisted up, but they're adjustable. And we're in a 30 zone, so I better calm it down. So riding other people's bikes is always a bit daunting at first to get used to. The mirrors are in a funny place, but here we go. So yeah, oh fucking how many gears has it got? I'm in top gear already. The engine feels quite smooth. It's quite pokey for a little 600. I see why these are good commuters. They're just quite robust, really. You can see it's got a bit of dirt and grime down the front under the forks and stuff, etc. And I can see fluid. I can see fluid down there. Or is it just shiny plastic? Don't know. Anyway, just keep an eye on where you're going, bud. It's nice around here, isn't it? Bit of late summer or autumn sunshine in the evening. So we've just been over to a little town called Barton near Northampton, and we're just going back to my brother's house on the lives near the A1, so it's probably a 25-mile trip home. Fucking what a bunch of dumpers dumping all their dump in the lay-by. It's a lovely road. I've not ridden a bike in probably 6 weeks. It's a shame, my bike's run out of MOT, so it's just nice to be out on a bike in some sunshine. Picked a good night for it. Lovely and warm. So yeah, what's the point of this video? It's just I'm just out on the bike. I'm just out with a camera. was helping my brother out, and I thought I'd film it for a bit of fun. There's a bit of free riding really. Tim's paying for the petrol. I ain't. It's just some fun. So as I said, this bike that he's purchased, £825. He's not gone wrong with this. I don't care how much MOT it's got left. It's just such a... It's September. It's his winter ride. It's a bargain. Lose money on this, and not a penny. He nearly had a bet. I said, "You're never going to lose money on that." He said, "Do you want to bet?" I said, "Well, the only way I can win it is by buying it off him for the same money, and therefore he doesn't lose money and I win a bet." But there we are. Fifth, third. I don't know how many gears this has got. It doesn't feel like it's got many. I think it's got 5. So that's now second. Come on, mate. Bozit, Boffet, 3 pronunciations of that village. What have we got now then? Let's get 4th, 3rd, where are we going? Where? So as I was saying, this bike review, if you could call it that, I've never done a bike review and I'm really not interested in doing them, but it's just a bit of fun because it's not my bike. I'm getting quite a lot of shielding from the screen at the front. This being the S model, you get the fairing, and because you're kind of sat quite far back, mind you, that's a bit... I'm going to change my words now, it's a bit sort of blowy. Everyone likes a little blowy, so it's... It's reasonably comfortable though, and I suppose in the winter it's going to give you a bit of shielding. Oh, the motorcycle nod. A little Timmy behind me. Yeah, then a bit of a petroleum stop. That's a nice little ride. Get a visor open. Fucking... Why do people do it? Fill me up. Why do people still have alarms on these cars? Honestly, if you saw a car alarm going off, you wouldn't say, "Here mate, someone's nicking your car." You'd say, "Mate, your alarm's going off, fucking fix it." Oh, fucking thing. Wrong foot, innit? So what do you think then to this Bandit S600? You get a nice picture of that? Yep. No mate. No, thank you anyway. I'm just waiting for my brother, he's filling up in the car, he's just bought it. Thanks for asking anyway, that's good of you. Thank you.
I always ask just in case.
Good man, yeah. You look like a biker, you got the hair and the beard for it. No, he's just bought it from up the road.
Oh, right.
And he's in the car, just riding it back for him, yeah. Yeah, it's his bike, he can pay for it. Cheers, fella, thank you. See, love it, love a biker. Bit scuffy, but it's 20 years old, this. As a winter hog. That's what it is. So what about the corners then? If you're going to review a bike, what's it like in the corners? Well, handles like that American car, I guess. It's not the best, but I'm used to different bikes, and he did say the rear tyre was a bit low on pressure. Excuse me, so you don't get a lot of confidence riding it through the bends. Not yet, anyway. She goes alright though. I'm sure you're going, bud. Into town then, are we? We're still beeping, yes we are. I'm getting to the end of my video, I'm getting bored, so thanks for watching, and as always I'm going to try and chuck in a funny clip for you. See you next time, okay? I'll be back next week because I've got some more riding to do. I've got to go for an MOT ride, so thanks again, see you later.